Hey, Matthew Aaron here. I'm going to show you guys real quick how to set up your full version of the Create Wealth from Nothing system. First of all, what you want to do is just go over to your apps section over here and click on Viral Webcaster. And then that's going to bring you here, and click on Viral Webcaster Pages. And it's going to load the pages that you currently have. And first of all, these are the two links that you're going to want to use to promote your full version. So you have the fan gate and the liked it gate. I prefer, or I would suggest that you use the liked it gate, because it's going to require people to like your page prior to them viewing the presentation. So it's going to increase your likes on your page, and it's also going to help it spread virally. So I would say go ahead and use this liked it link and click on settings. Alright, now here are the steps to actually setting up your system. Step 1 is presentation mode, so click on that. Excuse me. Also, there's video tutorials that go over everything that Tissa has set up for us, and he does a really good job explaining, how you can, set up and use the system. So I'd suggest on all the different steps, take they range from anywhere from typically, I guess, like 5 to 12 minutes, but they're worth watching. So I would suggest watching all the video tutorials as well. All right, so back here on presentation mode, you can actually increase the attendance appearance that your presentation has. So even if there's only really 3 or 4 people currently watching your presentation, you can add up to, I believe, 103 people, that it appears that a lot more people are watching the presentation than really are. That's a good thing. People, they don't like to be the only person doing something. So whenever you add 15, 23, 31, 39 people to the presentation, people like to be a part of a group. They don't want to be the first person to do it. So set your attendance boost for at least 15 people. I have mine set for 39 currently. Maybe start off at 15 and every week increase it. I wouldn't suggest having it set for 103 for this. Soon in the near future here, we will be doing webinars on this platform. So whenever we do that, we might set it a little higher. And then the defaults comments tab, set that for Facebook, not Twitter, because most of pretty much everything we're doing right now at this point we're doing on Facebook. And for the Twitter widget code, don't worry about that at this point. And here's where you're going to add in the video presentation to your system. As of today, I have a sequence of 3 videos, so I'm going to send you those 3 videos that will be labeled video 1, video 2, and video 3. You're going to put those videos, those links to those videos here, and just make sure you check off the boxes. So those videos will be the only ones that play. For example, I have 2 additional videos, but I do not have the boxes checked off. So these videos will not play for the person who is watching the presentation. And then simply hit save. The next thing is step number 2 is the autoresponder list. For this part, I'm actually gonna, if you're directly on my team, I'm working with everybody, but if you're directly on my team, I'm using Aweber, and I would prefer and suggest that you do as well. So I will send you my affiliate link for Aweber, and if you would be so kind to sign up on my team, I would be grateful. If you're not directly on my team, whoever you got this system from, obviously, I'm sure they'd be grateful if you use their affiliate link for the autoresponder. So I'll be sending you my autoresponder link for Aweber as well. I'll show you here. So you're going to use the Aweber option. Then they're also connected with GetResponse, MailChimp, GVO, TalkFusion, and so on. So once you have your Aweber set up, you're going to connect with Aweber. You can pick a list name, and I'm also going to give you guys basically it'll be a code that you'll have that will, rather than you guys having to manually put in each individual email that I've created, you'll just enter in a code and it will grab all of the emails from my autoresponder for you guys to use. So it'll make it really easy. And of course, after you're done with that, you would hit save. Step number 3 is link promotion. So basically, this is the button that appears below the video while people are watching your presentation. Whenever they click on that, and for the time being, well, really the thing that makes the excuse me, the thing that makes the most sense is the Get Access Now button. So select that, and for the time being, whenever people click on Get Access Now, they will go to our group, the Create Wealth from Nothing system group. Hopefully here in the near future, what we'll have is we'll all have affiliate sites for each of us individually. So I'm working on that, but for the time being, we're going to send all traffic to the group. So put the URL for our group here, and again select Get Access Now. Link button delay right here. Set it for 22 seconds, somewhere around there. And let's see here. For the use special offer, right now at this point, the special offer all has to do with giving away additional free leads. I use a system called LeadNet Pro that allows me to go out and grab thousands and thousands of emails from other people who are working with different opportunities, and I also have a system where I can send 5,000 emails per day. Right now, at this point, I don't believe that any of you guys have it yet. I know a couple of you are interested. So as soon as you're ready to talk about that more and move forward, we can get this set up for you as well. Because offering your leads and your prospects a way to get 100, 200, 300 leads per day for free is pretty intriguing, and it'll definitely help you to get more signups whenever you can use that, the power of that. And step 4, traffic rotator. There's a TISA put a built-in rotator into this system. As of now, I am not currently using this. Feel free to watch the video tutorial and see how it works. MLM Duplicaster. Now this is where, as people come and view your presentation and your team starts to grow, the authorization link is what you want to give them to create their duplicate of your site. It'll be, it's completely free. This is what you guys originally used for free on mine, and really the major thing that they don't get that you now get is everyone that you give this Duplicaster link out to, all of the people that they drive to, even though it's their presentation, everyone that views that presentation from their links, which they create these links down here. Here's a list of some of the people that are using mine. But what the big deal about it is, what you guys have right now is you have a list building machine. So it's not, you're going to be building a list of people who obviously need help. They're watching the presentation for a reason. They know, they're openly admitting that they need some help, and they need some help getting leads. So you're building a huge list of people that will continue to provide valuable content. We're not going to be selling them on everything moving forward into the future. And the money's in the list. So rather than it just being you as an individual building your list, you can literally have a list of hundreds of people who are helping you to build your list for you. So that's the huge benefit that you guys have in owning this system rather than using mine. So again, this is the link that you will be giving out to everyone who wants a duplicate of your site. And also the distributor link format. For the time being, just use what you want to do is put the link for our group there, and at the end of it, put an asterisk. Also, you can watch the video tutorial here. Tissa does a really good job of quickly explaining how to use it, so I would suggest watching the video tutorial as well. And let's see here. Fan gate appearance. You want to set it up for the first one. So just for the time being, we will be making changes to this in the near future. But just for the time being, click on Use Image, and also here it says click the like button to, and I put in, and you could use the same thing. I put to learn how to get leads for free on Facebook every day. So you're welcome to use that as well. And same thing down here for the liked it fan gate. Like us to learn how to get leads for free on Facebook every day. So it's the same thing. And then of course click save. And the last, event scheduling, don't worry about that yet, step 7. And step number 8 is where you'll be able to see all of the total visits to your Create Wealth from Nothing system via our webcaster page, the number of unique attendees, email opt-ins, and current attendees. So, your team, as your people who you've given a duplicaster link to, as they're driving traffic to it, they should be, opting. You'll be able to see them back here as well. So what you want to do is, you should also be sending them a message, just asking them if they have any questions about the presentation, and giving them access to the group. Again, in the Create Wealth from Nothing system group, I do have the suggested message for you to send to your people who have watched your presentation. So I would suggest doing that. So that's really it. You really, in the amount of time it took me to create this video, you probably could have created 3 of these. So it's really simple to set up. And if you have any questions, let me know, or let the person who invited you to this, or who got you started with this system, reach out to them, and they'll help you get started. All right, talk to you soon.